Hi, Blair from the Office of Distance Ed here at CMU, back again to share some more tips, tricks, and resources to help you make the best out of your online learning. Well, actually, I won't be doing that today. This will actually be the last video of mine in the series of videos that my coworker Ed and I have been doing for the past month. We've covered a wide variety of topics in those videos, and I hope at least one of those videos have helped you during this transition time in our learning. Now, you may be wondering, what topic are you going to do for your final video? Well, that's a good question. And actually, it won't be a topic, it'll actually be a message. And that message is to finish strong. With finals and the end of the semester being right around the corner, we wanted to give you the message of finishing strong. We know it's a difficult time for everybody right now, but we still encourage you to finish this semester strong. We're so close to being done, and much like how President Foster has said, education is highly important during a time like this. So it's best not to give up and to finish strong as well as we can. With that said, you won't be finishing the semester alone. As Ed and I have said in our videos, and as you may have seen on the CMU website and Mavs, there are tons of resources and people out there to help you during this time in our learning. From the virtual resources page for students on the CMU website and Mavs that you may have seen, to the Office of Distance Education. We are all here to help you make the best out of your online learning and make it so you can finish out this semester strong. Going back to distance ed, we are still continuing to work every day to help instructors and students like you make the best out of their online learning and make this time a little bit more easier and a little bit more efficient for everybody. You can contact us via email at distanced@coloradomesa.edu or going to our webpage on the CMU website by hovering over the Academics tab, going down to Distance Ed, and clicking on that. From there, you can find out more information on how to contact us, as well as browse through the different resources such as videos, PDFs, just a plethora of different resources that we've shared on that page. So again, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please feel free to reach out to us or browse the vast variety of resources and PDFs and videos we have. Making these videos have been really fun. It's been a great experience and one I'm very fortunate to have had the opportunity to do. My hope is that these videos have helped you during this difficult time in our learning. Even if it's just a few of you or just one of you, I hope that these videos have helped you. With that said, until next time, remember to finish strong. We're so close. I know you can do it. And to stay safe and to wash your hands.